Well, hi there, college biology students. I just want to start by saying I really miss you guys. Um, this online learning is not what I signed up for. It's not what you signed up for, but I know that we can do this. I want you to know that I am still here for you. Still make mistakes per usual. Um, Email me when you have questions. I wanted to share with you that this week I set up a Zoom meeting. So on Tuesday, if you would please, try and be available at 11 a.m. Let me know if that's not going to work for you. I am going to record the meeting, so if people can't be there, they can hear the recording, but it would be awesome if we could get everybody in attendance. On Monday, you're going to start the protein synthesis lab. Please make sure that you take the lab, the pre-lab quiz on Monday. And so the Zoom meeting is designed really to answer questions that you have on that lab, but then also just go through and discuss some of the ideas in transcription and translation, protein synthesis, just some of those things, those questions you might have about DNA. On my screen here, you can see the week 2 calendar. I did add a few things and I added some new colors, so please pay attention to the highlighting just so you can see that the lab quiz is only offered on Monday. And I also narrowed down those due dates. We'll be testing next week. And so I just wanted to make sure that your learning was a little bit more spread out and a little more timely. It also helps me start getting some things in the gradebook and start getting you specific feedback. So again, just quickly in review, lab on Monday, Tuesday. And this is a paper pencil lab where traditionally students would have built DNA, then built RNA, then built the protein. And instead, what I'm having you do is draw this out or write this stuff down on a notebook sheet of paper or a blank sheet of paper. And then you can just copy that and send it back to me. I think that would be far easier than trying to manipulate a Google Doc and do any kind of electronic drawing. So it's designed for you to be able to just write those things out, take a picture of it, copy and paste that at the bottom of the doc that I have for you, and then turn that in. If you have questions about that, please email me. Then Tuesday, we have that Zoom. So again, a 2-day lab. On Wednesday and Thursday, I would like you to spend time reading chapter 12 and then also watching some of the videos on the website. I had some students asking questions about if I was going to provide more formal lectures. The answer to that currently is no, unless I hear otherwise from you. The videos that I've selected and put on the website are great. Mr. Anderson on the Bozeman Science channel is amazing. There are lots of great Khan video clips and then other supplemental resources too. Honestly, I feel like they do a really great job, and in many cases, a better job than I would explaining some of those things. I do also think that being able to converse and answer your questions is really important. So I'm very open to hosting several Zoom meetings a week if that's something that you would prefer. So we can talk about that on Tuesday. You can also shoot me a quick email and let me know what you think. But I am excited for this lab on Monday and Tuesday. I do encourage you to work together. And if you want to work with someone but don't have contact information for other students, you can use their school email. All kids are on school email, but you can also reach out to me, and then maybe I can put some students together. But it really is designed, like all lab work, for you to be able to discuss, collaborate, critically think together. And so if you do that now, that's awesome too. So as you work through this week, be patient with yourself, be patient with me. I did rewrite the lab, so let me know if you look at the directions and you think something's unclear or perhaps there's a mistake. That wouldn't shock anybody. Just please shoot me an email, let me know. I look forward to seeing all of you on Tuesday. Have a great week.